Best machine I ever seen. It's called cake icing and decorating machine used in baking industry. It is capable of evenly applying semi-food materials such as icing, creams, and jams on your cake. A very nice machine. Like this one is putting the icing on the top. Check it out, you see. Really neat. See? This one is coating it. I love this machine. This kind of machine, I don't think you can find in this my country, but you see this one. And one thing about this machine is putting a very you can customize the design. You can customize the design that you want. Any design you want, you can customize it. You see, with this one you can meet your customers' demand, even if you want, even if they demand hundreds of cakes per day, you can be able to meet up with this. So interesting piece of work. So I find it so interesting. So I said, let me bring it up so we can check it out. This is Cobalt Robotics. We bring in the best. We bring in the best. No dull moment. Thanks. Bye.